Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside Cordless angle drill 12 volt, the model PWBSA 12A1. Bare unit, battery and charger are not included, you need to buy it separately. It is compatible with the batteries in the Parkside X12 volt team series. Max torque it is 11 Newman hard screw joint. Rated no load rotation speed is 0 to 1300 RPM. Adjustable angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Locking automatic spindle lock. Drill chuck capacity it is max 10 mm. Max drilling diameter it is 10 mm in wood. Max screw diameter is 6 mm. LED working light. 3 years warranty. Designed in Germany. This case is made from 90% recycled materials. Thumbs up. Head can be tilted into 5 positions. Well, we're gonna find out all about this tool together, how we can use it, and find out the performance. Well, let's open it. And of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual and the tool only. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else on the box. Ooh, nice. Feels nice in my hand. I like it. Rubber around. You can hold it very well. Rubber at the trigger. On-off switch with adjustable speed. As you are pushing, it is adjusting the speed faster. We've got the rotation direction switch. Left and right. Perfect. We've got the release button for changing the angle. Now it is in 90 degrees. Press, it will go on 67.5 degrees. Press again, 45 degrees. Press again, 22.5 degrees. And press again, goes to 0. Easy changing, fast, with a press of a button, or you can press it with this finger. It is your choice. But it goes fast. Nice, I like it. We've got the metallic quick release chock. Maximum it is 10 mm of thickness, the bits, the drilling bits. And there we've got the maximum 10 mm. And it locks. Very nice, I like it. We've got the battery charge level display. And as we are talking for batteries, there is the 12 volt 2 ampere hours battery and the 12 volt 4 ampere hours battery. You need to buy it separately, and of course you need to buy the charger. Now if you decide to buy this charger and with the 2 ampere hours battery, it costs about 18 euros, but if you decided to buy it with a 4 ampere hours battery, it costs 25 euros. Plus 25 euros the tools. That means the price it will go, let's say 40 to 50 euros. It depends which battery you will choose. Nice. All the unit is from plastic except the metallic chuck and the ear. And of course at the front we've got the LED working light. Let's connect one of the batteries. And by just pressing you can see the LED display for the battery capacity. The working light at this position. And again, it doesn't matter which battery you will choose. Of course, it will work. I like this battery because it can stand the tool just like that. It is like a base stand, like a stand. Okay, and the same. Which hand you want to use it. And of course it is very useful, this tool, for corners, tight areas, drilling or screwing. And the adjustable speed as you are pressing. The trigger goes faster. Nice, I like it. It feels durable. It doesn't feel something cheap. And I think the next step it is to test it. Yeah, why not? And of course you can do a furniture assembly, install this screw bit, tight some screws, We've got some screws that are loosened. Adjust the speed by the trigger, slow, faster, and do your job. Perfect. Or you can drill on the tight areas, let's say this draw, adjusting the speed. Perfect. With a drill bit 8mm. Now let's try and drill on a 45 degrees just to check the performance. 67.5 and 45 degrees. Nice, good job. Let's try with a 10mm maximum. Okay, perfect. And I would like to drill on a 67.5mm. Yeah, why not? Nice, and again, good job. And of course you need to have a good drilling bit for best performance. Now let's try this drill bit. It is a 14mm. Perfect. And I would like to drill on 0 degrees. Yeah, why not? And only with one hand. Yep, easy drilling, thumbs up. Definitely it has a power and it can drill very well. Now I think it is enough for drilling. Let's go back for screwing performance. And we've got 90 degrees. Some of the screws I want to use. Wow, that is so great. Amazing. Smaller. And another one is bigger. Whoa, so powerful. Now let's check, and with this screw, perfect. We've got about 5mm thickness. Oh yeah. Perfect. Well guys, that was all about this cordless angle drill. If that is a drilling, screwing, definitely it can handle and it can do the job. Great performance, I like it. Choose which battery is the best for you, what do you want. And with a charger, you can pay 45 to 50 euros and buy this angle drill. And of course do your job at the tight areas by adjusting the angle. You know where you can find this tool? I hope my video will make you decide if you want to buy it or not. For me, thumbs up, definitely is doing a great job. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who will need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.